All right, thank you, Emily. Greg Remmenga joins us for some more free legal advice. Thanks for being here.
Thank you.
We're going to kind of just go over just an overview of DUI laws, because there are different things that maybe people aren't necessarily familiar with.
Well, when we think about DUIs, we think about the blood alcohol level, and that you aren't supposed to have that much alcohol to have a certain blood alcohol level. Well, the blood alcohol level depends on your age, because if you're under 21, the alcohol level for which you can be charged is 0.02. That's hardly any alcohol at all.
Right.
If you're over the age of 21 and have over 0.05, you can get a DWAI. And if you have over 0.08, you can get a DUI.
Okay.
The criminal violation has various penalties depending on whether it's a DUI, a DWAI, whether it's your first or multiple violations. So you could go for jail time of a year or longer depending on your past history, or you could have several fines depending on your past history.
Okay. Real quick, can you go over the DWAI? I'm not familiar with that. I don't know if other people are, but...
Driving while ability impaired.
Okay.
As opposed to driving under the influence.
Right.
But the other thing that we have to remember is that a DUI can be found two different ways: with the blood alcohol level of over 0.08, or if, in the opinion of the police officer, you were driving while your ability was impaired, no matter what your alcohol level was.
Right.
So even if you don't have that high of an alcohol level, the court will charge you. They'll have a hearing, and if the jury believes that even though your alcohol level wasn't higher than the 0.08, you were driving under the influence, you can still be charged with the DUI. So that's a separate issue other than the blood.
Okay.
Another issue is your driver's license itself. If you get convicted of a DUI, there's 12 points against your license. Are you going to lose your license because of the point system? Another thing is, if you have over a 0.08, the driver's license department holds a hearing and can revoke your license for a certain period. Whether you're convicted of the DUI in the criminal side or not, you can still lose your license if you have a blood alcohol level sufficiently high that the driver's license department deals with that.
Okay.
And then finally, you have issues about whether you're driving under revocation. You get another DUI, you can lose your license for up to 5 years.
Right.
So those things all need to be looked at if you're caught drinking and driving.
Real quick, are there stricter restrictions for kids underage that drive under the influence? Or?
They're faced with similar type penalties, but the level is 0.02, not 0.08.
Okay. That makes sense. All right. Thanks so much, Greg. If you have any questions for Greg, feel free to contact him with that info right there on your screen. We'll be right back after the break.